Hi guys! In today's video, I will going to show you how to add a text field to a WooCommerce product. First, go to the product where you want the field to appear. You can choose any of the product. Then click on Product Add-ons. Then click on Add Group. And then click on Add Field. After that, choose Text. From there, you can now add the field label. You can also add the price. You can also set the minimum characters and maximum characters allowed, and the price per characters. And also, you can allow free characters. You can also add field image and description. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.